Hey teammate, this is James from Tuesday Licious. I hope I get the chance to answer all of your questions. Tara, simulan na natin. What is your favorite song? Sample please. My favorite song is by Jack Johnson, Banana Pancakes. Like a ukulele, mama made a baby. I really don't mind the practice, cause you're my little lady. Ano ang ginawa mo sa grand prize mo sa PBB? I actually bought a car, Subaru Legacy. If you had a gift to give to Anne on her birthday, what is it and why? I'd probably buy her some clothes. She loves clothes, so I'd probably buy her clothes. Kung matatrap ka sa elevator, sino ang gusto mong makasama? Si Ryan Bang, para masaya, from Karil Cabanos. After PBB, anong nagkapastay sa'yo dito sa Pilipinas? That would be the new friends, the people, celebrity life of course. From Melanie De La Rosa. Ask ko lang po kung sino tatlong crushes mo sa mga girl teammates ng shoutout. Actually, I only have one crush sa shoutout. Si Karay. Ang ganda siya, sobra. Ano ang pinakagusto mong ugali ni Devon? The best thing about Devon is that she's always happy. She makes everyone feel happy all the time. Teammates, sana nagustuhan nyo ang kulitan natin today. This is James Reid at ito ang aking face tube, Slumbos. Later!